Get ready to be introduced to a whole new level of food manufacturing technology with these mind-blowing machines. As soon as these machines place the plastic containers right onto the spot, the robotic arms effortlessly pour precise amounts of fresh, crunchy veggies into containers, saving time and ensuring consistency. Using sensors and advanced technology, they adjust to different salad types and portion sizes, making them super efficient. Your salads are always ready to grab and go. With automatic salad pouring factory machines, delicious and nutritious salads are just a push of a button away. Their robust construction and user-friendly design make them the best tools for businesses seeking quality and efficiency in their baked goods. Here's a sleek, efficient machine seamlessly loading kebabs with precision and speed, revolutionizing the food production process. Get the whole satisfying scenario of sealing the stickers on bottles. That's pretty quick and efficient. Perfectly designed to streamline the deboning process for turkey, offering unmatched efficiency and precision. With its advanced robotic arms and intelligent sensors, it can seamlessly separate meat from bone with minimal waste. What sets these roller coaster belts apart is their ability to handle various shapes, sizes, and weights with ease, ensuring seamless packaging for a wide range of products. Plus, their rapid speed means products can be packaged in record time, keeping up with the fast-paced demands of modern production lines. Whether it's individual portions for solo snacking or family-sized packs for backyard barbecues, hot dog packaging comes in all shapes and sizes to suit your needs. From vibrant reds to sunny yellows and verdant greens, each pepper is carefully assessed and placed into its designated grade with remarkable precision. But it's not just about efficiency. This cutting-edge technology also minimizes waste. Hey, if you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like button so we will know how many people are interested in watching our upcoming videos. Whether you prefer crisp edges or gooey centers, the way you cut your brownies can make all the difference in presentation and texture. From pizza toppings to deli trays, this slicer delivers consistent results, saving time and labor while maintaining quality. Let's not forget the rhythmic motion of the slicing process, almost hypnotic in its repetition. These machines not only sort the chicken portions by size and weight, but also package them seamlessly, ready to be distributed to supermarkets and restaurants across the globe. And with advancements in technology, these sorting and packing lines are becoming even more sophisticated, reducing waste and maximizing efficiency in the poultry industry. Mastering the technique of slicing salami can elevate your culinary skills and impress guests at any gathering. They come in a variety of flavors and styles, catering to diverse taste preferences. Beyond convenience, sausages boast a tantalizing blend of seasonings and spices, elevating the eating experience to new heights. This ingenious contraption takes the hassle out of saucing up your favorite pasta dishes. And the best part, with adjustable settings, you can customize the sauce flow to suit your preferences. These tiny, vibrant fruits pack a punch when it comes to nutrition. Loaded with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, cherries are not only delicious but also incredibly good for you. From supporting heart health to aiding in better sleep, cherries boast an impressive array of health perks. Studies suggest that cherries may also help reduce inflammation, alleviate muscle soreness, and even promote weight loss. So, whether you're enjoying them fresh, dried, or as part of a tasty dessert, this cutting-edge technology promises to modernize the way pizzas are made, with the potential to increase efficiency and consistency in commercial kitchens. The unsung heroes of large-scale fruit processing. These machines are the powerhouse behind efficiently peeling a variety of fruits, from apples and oranges to mangoes and kiwis, with speed and precision. truly satisfying and quick cutting experience. The humble spud offers a treasure trove of culinary delights just waiting to be explored. From crispy golden fries to creamy mashed potatoes, the possibilities are endless. But it doesn't stop there. Think savory potato pancakes, hearty potato soups, and decadent potato gratins. Plus, they can be baked, boiled, roasted, or fried to perfection, making them the ultimate canvas for culinary creativity. Handling these corn is now a child's play. Beyond its traditional pairing with spaghetti, pasta sauce can be used in a variety of delicious ways. Try simmering it with meatballs for a classic Italian feast. You've arrived on a bustling factory floor where sausages zip along conveyor belts, destined for packaging perfection. These automated lines are a symphony of precision, with each step carefully taken to ensure seamless processing. From filling and sealing to labeling and stacking, every aspect is carefully monitored to maintain product quality and safety standards. Ever wondered about the magic behind how machines insert brush bristles into the brush base? It's a fascinating process. A state-of-the-art system that carefully washes and dries spinach leaves, ensuring cleanliness and freshness. They're a fantastic source of vitamins C and K, essential for immune function and bone health, respectively. Whole grain varieties are rich in fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel fuller for longer. Rows of perfectly marbled mortadella logs gliding effortlessly through state-of-the-art slicing machines, each cut precise and uniform. From meats and cheeses to fruits and vegetables, the Weber slicer delivers consistent results, ensuring uniform slices every time. Those colorful gems that add a pop of flavor and vibrancy to countless dishes. When it comes to the most commonly used varieties, it's all about the classic trio: red, yellow, and green. While each color offers its own unique taste and nutritional benefits, green bell peppers tend to be the most prevalent in recipes and culinary applications. Their slightly bitter flavor and crisp texture make them versatile for cooking, whether salted in stir-fries, stuffed with savory fillings, or sliced up for salads. There's something oddly gratifying about seeing a perfectly sharpened blade effortlessly glide through tender cuts of meat, revealing uniform slices with each pass. It's a delicate dance of precision and technique, ensuring each piece is trimmed to perfection for maximum flavor and tenderness. From breasts to thighs, every portion is meticulously sorted and categorized before being carefully packaged for distribution. And it's not just about speed. These high-tech machines not only streamline the packing process, but also reduce the risk of contamination, maintaining food safety standards with impeccable accuracy. These cutting-edge machines are designed to get the bottling and packaging process done, ensuring maximum efficiency and productivity. These factories ensure that each chip delivers the perfect balance of crunch and flavor. Think of chicken as more than just meals. They're culinary masterpieces that leave you craving just one more bite. With automated systems handling everything from portioning to labeling, bakery item packing lines not only save time, but also guarantee consistency and quality. Innovative packaging designs can make opening products a breeze with easy-to-tear seals or convenient resealable features that keep contents fresh. Whether you prefer classic potato chips, crunchy tortilla chips, or innovative veggie chips, there's something for everyone to enjoy. It ensures that they're removing any grit or dirt that might linger on the shells. That's a wrap for today, but if you want to watch more videos like these, you can find us here.